Alright guys, in this experiment, we're gonna see what happens to certain objects under, or basically in a microwave. So please don't try this at home because this is very dangerous and you could die. So what I have here, we're first gonna be testing a CD. Okay, so we're just gonna open up a microwave, put the CD in. And now we're going to set the time to just 1 minute. Okay, close the light please. Alright, now we're going to see what happens. Please don't try this at home. And you can see the CD just sparking up. Pretty cool. Alright, now this time what I'm going to do is put a lot more CDs in to see what kind of cool effect that gives. Remember, please don't try this at home. You could die. Microwaves are very dangerous. I am a trained professional, just remember that, kids. Alright, here we go. Okay, let me just set the time. Okay, turn off the lights, please. It's awesome. Starting to smoke.